5, 6, 7, 8. We bring the world. Clap. Jazz hands.
I feel that creative expression is important because it is a way to process emotions. It can help develop a sense of identity. It can help us even understand the world around us. It's my favorite part of Arts Express when I was a camper, and it still is.
Even though it is on a virtual format, we're going to keep the AXP magic alive.
Can I get a whoop whoop?
One of the things we wanted to look at is why we dance. And first thing that we're going to deal with a little bit is how to motivate your movement.
We're going to be playing with light. And sometimes you don't have words. And you have to think, if I'm a character, how do I express what I'm feeling or express my emotion through my physicality?
Okay, this next one is going to be a snowball fight.
For our little dance that we're creating right now, I'd like to see some autumn leaves. I'm going to write on one side of it something that has been a challenge. So we're going to write whatever our challenge is, or our fall, what has been kind of weighing on us or knocking us down or causing our fall. And on the other side, we're going to use our recovery. And you're going to take and create movement based off of what you wrote.
Showing your light and showing how bright you shine, being an individual, being yourself, and how special that is. And so today we're going to make our own dance together with all of our lights and all of our movements.
You're going to describe a winter day or the holidays at your home. Consider all of the 5 senses when you're doing this.
The frost on my window reminds me that it's cold, even though it doesn't snow in California.
Snuggling up at night or even during a cold morning under a nice warm blanket.
You might see a few snowflakes spiraling down, whirling like a swarm of magnificent stars.
Like, it's your debut and you're about to show who you are. So you're going to push that curtain aside.
Scavenger hunt. Something warm. Go. 30. We have lots of jackets, a blanket I see. Oh, some Santa socks. Love that.
There's 3 elements we talk about in dance a lot. They are time, space, and energy. So you can draw something out a little bit longer. You can make it super, super smooth. You can make it sharper or punched.
Party out, party out, party out, party out.
Be bold, be silly, and be grateful that we are all here sharing this process together.
Today, with all this light you found, you have the power to light up any room that you walk into.
I've actually really enjoyed my time at Arts Express. There was really a sense of unity, and it's a lot of fun.
Give yourselves a round of applause, please, guys. That was really, really awesome.
Happy holidays!
Bye, everyone. See you soon.
Bye.